everyone, just a quick demo on how to prepare your roller sleeve. So this roller sleeve, it's damp to the touch. It's not soaking wet, it's not dripping, as you can see. There's a couple of drips actually off the roller arm, as you can see, but don't worry about that. Right, so yeah, so generally it's just damp to the touch. So what that does is it enhances paint pickup. So when you roll the roller sleeve into the paint, it will pick up the paint a lot easier and store it in the core of the roller sleeve ready to apply. So I'll just show you now. So the next stage is you need to load up your roller sleeve or prime your roller sleeve, and simply just dip and roll, dip and roll as such. And each time I do that, it's picking up more paint and it's storing it in the roller sleeve. And if you do this just for about 30 seconds ish, and what that'll do is just get the excess off there. That's ready to go. So it's loaded with paint, and then you can start. Now, if you do not roll out and flick off excess water when you do soak your roller, and don't forget, you need to do this every time you use it. So not just when it's new, but you need to just dampen your roller sleeve because it will dry out. And then when the next time you come to use it, you're in the same scenario. Yeah, it might not have any loose material on it, but you still need to do it to enhance the pickup of the paint. So each time you go to use it, do this process and it will be excellent. Now, I'm not 100% saying you will not get lint or material off the roller sleeve as you're doing it. So what happens is, as you can see in one of my previous videos on roller sleeves, if you get one of the cheaper ones from the DIY store, they are more likely to shed, and it will do that, and is likely to do that while you are applying the paint. So I would just say, get yourself, if you're going to be doing quite a bit of decorating, well, forget that. Even if you're doing any decorating, I'd always recommend getting a decent roller sleeve because it will last for a very long time and it will do a better job. It makes sense. Just a few extra pounds will get you a decent trade quality roller sleeve. So that's it really, guys. I'll do another video on actual rolling and the technique that I use for rolling on walls and ceilings, and I'll get that to you as soon as I can. So I'll see you later. Take care, everybody. Please give it a like if it's been useful. Please subscribe if you haven't already.